Prepare to be amazed by the incredible self-healing abilities of our planet's crust. It's a phenomenon that will leave you in awe. Deep within Earth's crust, cracks and ruptures caused by certain earthquakes can miraculously repair themselves within just a few hours. This natural healing process, triggered by what geologists refer to as slow slip events, is a fascinating and controversial topic that has scientists intrigued. Slow slip events are like the gentle cousins of regular earthquakes. Instead of happening in a split second, these events unfold over days, weeks, or even months. And here's the intriguing part. They can occur on the same major fault lines as regular earthquakes, but at different depths and under unique physical conditions. It's almost like nature has its own way of deciding when to unleash a powerful quake or a more subtle, slow-motion slip. Dr. Thomas and their team delved into the mysterious world of slow slip events in the Cascadia subduction zone, a massive fault where two tectonic plates collide. Cascadia is a hotbed for these slow-motion events, and it's also home to an exceptional seismic monitoring network, making it the perfect natural laboratory for study. The team's research revealed that these slow slip events can repeatedly rupture the same zone during a single event, suggesting a rapid stress reload and a unique healing process. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The conditions deep within the Cascadia subduction zone, which are inaccessible to direct study, were recreated in the lab. By subjecting powdered quartz and water to extreme temperatures and pressures, the researchers witnessed the mineral grains welding together, even after just a few hours. This experiment highlighted the crucial role of temperature, pressure, and fluids in the healing process. Regular earthquakes, which occur in shallower regions, take much longer to heal. We're talking years or even decades. But the self-healing process is not limited to the deep. It operates across the crust, just on different timescales. This finding has important implications for our understanding of earthquake risks and the development of future models. And this is the part most people miss. The rapid healing of faults in Cascadia means that certain areas of the deep fault can re-strengthen quickly enough to be reactivated multiple times during a single slow slip cycle. This affects how we interpret the signals we use to monitor these deep faults and how we model slow slip events. So, what do you think? Are you surprised by the self-healing abilities of our planet's crust? Do you find this natural process fascinating, or do you have a different perspective? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.